Hey guys, welcome to the Plushies world. This is Teddy. This is Teddy.
This is a piglet.
And my boyfriend is not here.
I know because he's sick.
Ah,
He
ah.
suffered from mental illness.
That's me.
What?
No, we both suffer from trauma because
Are you?
because our grandfather
My second fan Teddy and I have 4% hunger.
and my hunger is 100.
I don't care.
No, then I'm gonna sleep. Iba I'm gay. Oh, I'm not gay. I am bisexual. No, yeah, I'm gay because I date Teddy. Oh wait, no. I'm Santa.
Guys, it's a nerd.
I'm not a nerd. You're a nerd. I'm not. Ah! Oh! Somebody give me chills.
Oh, I guess that.
That's your fault because you're not stalling your hunger. Why is there a noob? Hi noob, what the fuck are you doing? Hmm. I'm gonna do straight up parkour before we have matters of survival. My phone is so hot. I think it's gonna explode. If I'm gay, oh, I'm not. No, yeah, I'm gay because yeah, I'm.
Oh my god, guys, it's gay! Malakpak niyo.
My hand, my beautiful hand, is deformed. It has a long palm. What? It's not funny.
Laughing. You have a mustache now.
I don't have mustache.
I have mustache. You have mustache.
Bro, you kasi.
In the shell.
I'm gonna play parkour. I hate you. We didn't even do our thing yet.